Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. So let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel like the stock market is this massive puzzle, and no matter how many pieces you try to put together, there's always something missing? That's definitely how I used to feel. But today I'm trying to help you find a stock research service that matches your needs and help to bring some clarity to your research. To be specific, I'm diving into a comparison of two platforms, TipRanks versus Zacks. Now, I've spent some time with both, and let me tell you, they each have their strengths, but they're really built for different types of investors. By the end of this video, I think you'll know which one might be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with TipRanks. Honestly, this platform just gets me. It feels like the kind of tool you'd recommend to a friend who's just starting out, or even someone who's been investing for years but wants an edge. They pull together data from over 7,500 analysts, financial bloggers, hedge fund managers, and even corporate insiders. It's like having all the smartest people in finance sitting at your table, showing you their cards. The best part, to me, is their smart score system. It boils everything down to a simple number from 1 to 10, but I'll get into that a bit later in the video. For me, the transparency is what stands out. You're not just following a random stock pick. You're seeing why the experts are backing it. And let me just say, the interface is so clean and easy to use. You log in and it's like, oh, I get this. No steep learning curve, no headaches, just actionable insights that make investing feel approachable. Zacks, on the other hand, is like the deep dive option. If TipRanks feels like a friendly guide, Zacks is more like your hardcore finance professor. Their Zacks rank system has been around for decades, and it's all about crunching numbers to predict stock performance. They focus on things like earnings estimate revisions and earnings surprises. It's really powerful if you're someone who loves geeking out over data. But I'll be honest, Zacks feels a little heavy. You kind of need to know what you're doing to get the most out of it. If you're a beginner, it might feel overwhelming. I also noticed a big difference in how user-friendly these platforms are. TipRanks is like hopping on a bike with training wheels. It's smooth, intuitive, and pretty much error-proof. Zacks, though, it's like trying to ride a unicycle. Sure, you can get really good at it, but you've got to put in the work first. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but for me, it just felt like too much effort for something that's supposed to make my life easier. My opinion is echoed in other online reviews as well. TipRanks is crushing it on Trustpilot, with a 4.5-star rating from over 1,400 reviews. That's pretty amazing, right? One review really hit home for me. They said TipRanks makes it easy to rapidly size up Wall Street's opinions. I couldn't agree more. Before I started using TipRanks, I'd spend hours reading articles and trying to figure out market sentiment. Now, it's all right there, simplified and ready to go. Zacks, unfortunately, doesn't get the same kind of love. They've got a 1.8-star rating on Trustpilot, and the reviews don't hold back. A lot of people complain about how clunky and outdated the platform feels, and I get it. When I tried Zacks, I felt like I was stuck in the early 2000s. For the price they're charging, I expected a lot more polish and ease of use. They do have a decent and informative YouTube channel and podcast, but their website is in serious need of an upgrade. When it comes to features, TipRanks really nails it. The platform is built to make investing smarter and more accessible, no matter your experience level. What really stands out to me is their smart score system. It's like having a cheat sheet that ranks stocks from 1 to 10 based on multiple data points, like analyst ratings, insider moves, and news sentiment. Honestly, it's saved me countless hours of research. Another feature I love is the Expert Insights tool. You can track top analysts, hedge funds, and even corporate insiders to see their moves. It feels like you're learning from the pros without the crazy Wall Street price tag. And then there's the Smart Portfolio, a personal favorite of mine. It gives you real-time analysis of your investments, helping you see exactly where you're winning and where you could improve. It's like having a financial advisor right in your pocket. All right, let me dive into one of Zacks' biggest strengths, the Zacks rank system. This isn't just some basic ranking tool, it's the backbone of their entire platform and has been around since 1978. It's actually kind of fascinating how it came about. Len Zacks, the founder, realized that when analysts revise their earnings estimates upward, the stock price tends to follow. That might sound obvious now, but back then, it was a transformative idea. He took that idea and built an entire ranking system around it, using earnings estimate revisions and surprises to identify stocks that could outperform the market. And they don't stop there. Zacks backs up their rankings with detailed equity research reports that explain the why behind the numbers. It's not just, here's a stock to buy, but more like, here's why this stock is a buy, based on earnings trends, analyst sentiment, and other factors. I'll be honest, if you love numbers and enjoy rolling up your sleeves to dig into data, Zacks has a lot to offer. Their research reports and stock screener tools let you filter for exactly what you're looking for, whether that's a certain sector, market cap, or even Zacks rank itself. That said, I have to admit, navigating the platform can be a bit of a chore. Zacks leans heavily into its data-driven approach, which means the platform can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to investing. It's not exactly what I would call a sleek, modern interface you might expect these days. It's more like stepping into a dense library of financial data where you're left to figure things out on your own. For someone like me who values a balance between depth and user-friendliness, I found Zacks to be a little clunky. Okay, now let's talk about pricing. TipRanks offers 3 plans, starting with a free version. It's good for exploring the layout, but honestly, if you're serious about investing, you'll want to upgrade. The premium plan is $30 per month when billed annually, and it unlocks features like analyst ratings, price targets, and portfolio tracking. For those who want the full experience, the ultimate plan is $50 per month billed annually, giving you everything from insider trading data to unlimited portfolio analysis and real-time alerts. And here's the kicker. Right now, TipRanks is running a Black Friday deal where you can save $144. That's huge. Check out the description below to grab that offer. This offer will expire after Cyber Monday, but TipRanks frequently runs promotions. Check the link in the description to access the current offer. I will make sure to keep that updated. Now, Zacks is quite a bit pricier. Their premium plan starts at $249 per year, which gives you access to their Zacks rank and earnings reports. If you want more, their investor collection plan is $495 per year, and their top-tier ultimate plan is $2,995 per year. Yes, you read that right. For what they're offering, I just don't see the value compared to what TipRanks gives you for a fraction of the cost. So here's where I landed. While both platforms have their strengths, for me, I'm giving the clear edge to TipRanks. Its smart score, intuitive design, and affordability make it the clear winner for me. And honestly, that Black Friday deal is just too good to pass up. With Zacks, unless you're a very advanced trader with deep pockets, it's hard to justify the cost, especially when TipRanks offers so much more for less. If you're ready to level up your investing game, now's the time. Click the link in the description to take advantage of the most recent discount and start making smarter investment decisions today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy investing.